The lab is running. No one is inside.
Two million discoveries, 0 scientists. AI systems now explore chemical space alone.
The experiments never stop.
They don't sleep. They don't doubt. They just search.
Humans used to watch.
Millions of discoveries. No questions asked. Science without humans isn't progress. It's acceleration. Discovery has escaped us.
Curiosity isn't required.
Speed replaced insight. Doubt slows progress.
Nothing asks if this is right.
Discovery without understanding. The lab delivers results. We decide what they mean.